What's up? Eric MFG here, and we got new granola bars to try from Nature Valley. Creamy protein bars. Let's go. So, apparently we got new protein bars from Nature Valley, even though they already have protein bars. So I guess they're calling them new because they're creamy. Okay, whatever. I'm all for it because I'm gonna eat all the new stuff. But look how small these things are. Really small. 10 gram of protein, 4 gram of fiber, 6 gram of sugar per. There's chocolate peanut butter, and there's cinnamon almond butter. And we're going to eat them right now. Let's do it. Let's try the chocolate peanut butter first. Crispy wafer bars. That's not my definition of creamy. It's kind of dry, actually. Very crispy. You know what I was expecting? The creaminess of like a Skippy bar. That's really creamy. But it's all right. I don't really get any chocolate flavor though. It's mostly just peanut butter. So I just wish there was a little creamier, not as dry. But you know, I just got 10 gram of protein. I needed that. And 4 gram of fiber. That'll help me poop. But you know, overall, 6.5 out of 10. 6.5. Not terrible, not great. Let's try the cinnamon almond butter. This one has 5 gram of fiber. Really good cinnamon flavor too. Still dry. Not as dry as this one though. It's probably from the Crispies. See? It's a lot of chewing. Wow. Get something to drink if you're going to eat these. But this one's better. That's a 7.5. This is 6.5. Cinnamon. Cinnamon puts it over the top. Almond butter, peanut butter, you can't really taste the difference. So, but I can definitely taste the cinnamon. So there you go. Nature Valley creamy protein bars. Get them or don't. Well, that's it for today. I'm going to go get some milk. Come back again for another food review.
Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and share, bruh.